folks, it's me again. First, I'll do a weekly what's new. What's new? Winter's here, and it's ruining my parade. Yeah, not that I do parades, but it's ruining my every time I get free time. It either snows or rains or it's minus whatever, and I just want to weld one little thing. So I'm gonna have to do it when it's cold out. With that said, it's not a big deal because I got a shed to build and I'm working on a house. What's new? I'm still making videos. Oh, and yeah, in case you haven't paid attention, I'm up to 1,900,000. Wait, 1,009,000 something views. So I've got 1 million views so far, which is not bad after 2-3 years now. I mean, I'd rather have 1 million viewers, but you know, I'm not that cool. And everybody who says they give up on YouTube, I'm not really trying. I'm like just having fun. So everybody thinks I'm not trying to be Mr. Beast. I'm just trying to have fun. You know, pass the time. I get to share some knowledge. I get some really awesome comments from you, the viewer, the few viewers that I do have, and it's fun. It's not I'm not looking at this like to get rich. Like I said, I'd like to get monetized so I can buy a pizza. It's my goal. One pizza. If I make $3 after that, I'll be happy. But it's just kind of like the goal. I mean, it'd be cool even if I get demonetized after and don't keep up with it. At least I could say I got over 1,000 subscribers. Actually, I have close to, so what is it, a 1,700? I don't know. I'm like 1,600 and I don't know what the hell it is. But and I appreciate all the viewers. But with that said, what's new this week? Yeah, I was supposed to make a video about the 1 million views, like what, last week, whatever it was. So I've had so far it's been a pretty good ride. I've had fun. Met a lot of interesting people online. There's a few interesting channels, people I've talked to, you get to know. So there's a lot of good people on YouTube, like the crew that I have listed on my page. What else? I got some interesting videos coming. I want to finish up some projects because I'm just like I need it off my bench. So there's one or two things I want to finish up before I lose all the pieces in this fucking mess. I'm trying to finish my shed so I can get the bike that's outside and this one temporarily in the shed so I can work basically I want to take this rear end of the bike off, put on the other one and swap it out back and forth. And the bike needs a home. It's sitting in the snow right now. So I'm trying to get the roof on that, and it's snowing, raining, and sleet and whatever. So with that said, basically the people who are sandblasting and painting my stuff went out of business, so I'm screwed in that part. So I've resorted to basically taking all my stuff and doing something I didn't really want to do, but apparently it's supposed to be better. So I'm getting everything other than the two frames powder coated. I didn't want to get why I'm not against powder coat. I like enamel hard paint, and maybe it's better. I don't know. Who cares? But I have no choice. I don't know what else around here does blasting and painting. Plus the guy needs work. And he seems like a really nice guy, and it's only a couple of small parts. So with that said, it's the holidays right now. And by the time you see this, probably after the holidays. But I got 3 racks. I'm going to bring all the small parts. There's not a lot of stuff on a big red to be powder coated. Like there's a front rack. There's a little metal thing that holds the wiring harness. There's the headlight cage. Maybe there's also the frame and the rear rack. And I think there's maybe engine mounts. So it's, and a couple of, rear. There's the rear swing arm, but I haven't got to that part yet. I just want to get the racks done so I get the external part. I want to get the top part of the bike done before I work on the bottom. And so, and I'm probably going to get this triple tray I've been working on. He said you can match the paint. I'm going to send one out for, have it powder coated red. And if I get that back in a couple of weeks, I'm going to have it powder coated, and the 87 big rack that's coming apart. The rack is going to come off it. I'll probably get that rack powder coated. This rack, which is over there, I have a few little I don't think there's really any nicks and dents in it. I have one bolt I got to weld, so that's going to get a video done. I have a gas tank that's going in a tank of vinegar soon. I bought the tub. I forgot to buy vinegar again because in the U.S. it's cheaper than here. I mean, they sell the huge buckets. Here it's like 1 little gallon at a time. But I did hoard 4 gallons of vinegar so far. I think I'm going to need about, 10. Or I'll probably put it in there, fill it up, and put some ballast in there, get the thing up. So that might work. And so I have a vinegar tank. January I will be doing casual. I'm gonna what do you call it? Vinegar test. I'm gonna plug the hole up, vinegar test it, see if I plugged all the holes, clean it out, shake out the vinegar, probably temporarily swoosh it with some diesel fuel so it doesn't rust. The outside, if I'm gonna basically probably spray it with some kind of oil until I get ready to paint it. If it doesn't leak, I'm gonna degrease the outside, de-oil it, and I'm going to repaint the outside. I might send the guy who does the powder coating, because his blaster's working, no mine's not, and have him bead blast two little spots in there, and I'll paint the rest. I'm doing a hand painting on it. I just want to get it running. It's for that bike outside. So that I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I finally got somebody their parts. I'm still awaiting the seat. I ordered from High Flight. They make seat foam. They're made to order. I didn't check when I ordered it, so it's supposed to be coming December 13th. I have a seat pan for it. Once I get the seat foam, I'm gonna probably strip the seat pan, cut a little notch, weld the corner in, and then I'm like, you know what? Since I'm getting everything powder coated, I'm gonna get the seat pan. I'm gonna get it powder coated. What the hell? Might as well. And then maybe I will. I don't know. See, because it's got the thing I can't figure out is it has these little spikes to put the seat cover, and they don't work very well. All they do is rip the vinyl. So I was like, there's got to be a better way to put the vinyl on the vinyl seat cover. So I'm thinking maybe I'll glue or I'll rivet some kind of plastic strip on it, so I can staple it in. I mean, I have a riveter. I can probably drill some holes, put some rivets in there, and put it and put maybe a strip of Delrin or some kind of soft plastic, or I'll cut out the old seat I had and put just a little piece so I get staples in it, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to destroy the. I'm not a seat expert. I'm pretty sure I'm going to wreck it. I'm sure if I stapler, I can get in there good. It's all hypothetical. And what else? I got a few tool reviews. I got a couple of good tool reviews coming. I'm still making dumb shorts. I should make some more, though, because shorts tend to give you more viewers. With that said, I'll stop boring. It's 7 minutes now. And stay tuned. I'm still making videos. I'm having fun. And if you don't get this video for holidays, I hope everybody had a happy holidays and that good stuff. Again, thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting my little channel. That doesn't really need any support other than viewers. And if you're still watching this, watch more of my videos. I got all kinds of videos. Some are old, some are, like I said, I don't make the greatest videos, but I'm having fun. And that's all that matters. And if you're enjoying it, hey, sounds good. And check out my first video. My head's like this big. I got a little skinnier since I started this. So thanks for watching. Toodles.